What's up, everybody? What's up? Well, lumber prices are still climbing up, alright? Lumber prices are still climbing up, and I made a video last month around this time. It was on March 10th. Today is April 12th. They aren't going any farther down right now. They only keep going up. Now, go ahead, dislike this video because I choose to make the lumber prices skyrocket. That's right. I'm the one that is making those lumberyard prices go up because I'm ordering so much lumber. No, I'm just kidding. Lumber prices are still going up. The other day I had to break down and decide, do I buy appliances for this fixer-upper house or do I buy lumber? I did a little bit of both because my plumber's coming tomorrow on Wednesday. So I ordered a new refrigerator because this one has no doors. Because I took the doors off because it's a piece of crap and it doesn't work. And the beast is getting tired of eating canned food. You can only have so many cans of ravioli, so many cans of lasagna, so many cans of soup in a microwave. So I ordered lumber. And I had to, look at this. That's where I've been working for my entertainment center. And look at this mess. Oh, look at that. Woo, there is some green gold down there. That's right, shamrock green gold. That's right. I had to break down and order some lumber. But I got lucky because it just went up again. It just went up the other day, and I ordered it on Friday. I talked to my local lumberyard. He said, Beast, get an order in. Try to get what you can get. So I ordered 70 more 2x4s. I paid $20, I wish. 20 cents less than what I would have paid today. So I'm glad I ordered it, but like I said, it's just what it is. It's either do your projects that you need to finish and pay for that lumber, or cringe and try to find something else to do. I've been trying to stay busy on everything, but I gotta get this bathroom framed in, laundry room framed in. You can see I started framing over here, but I gotta get this wall done. I gotta just stick some pink foam right there, the insulation. And I gotta get the back wall, all these exterior walls in this basement all framed in. Or I'm going to be up shit creek. Thank gosh I have a lot of other material. That's the reason why I decided to break down and buy the lumber. Just because I have about 30 sheets of sheetrock in the garage right now. I have lots of plywood from last year that I'll be working on the outside of the house with. And I have almost all my plumbing fixtures and heat ducts and heat returns and yada yada yada. So I'm just making it calling. I'm just making a video, say, hey, what's up? Thank you everybody that's been watching my videos. And like it, dislike it, subscribe, don't subscribe, itch your ass, I don't care. Or play around with some insulation and itch your ass. Whatever kind you want. I got wool. I got R19, R13. But I'll tell you right now, insulations came a long ways. This stuff doesn't even itch. I remember having to crawl around attics when I was a kid, insulating for my uncle, and now that was some itchy ass shit. Excuse my French. But anyhow, just working on this fixer-upper, trying to stay busy. The big beast over here, he's like, oh gosh, when are we going to be able to have a normal life? I don't know. I don't know. But I did order all my flooring. That finally came in. And so yeah, I have a lot of things going on. And it all was waiting on lumber prices to go down. They're not going down. They're only going up. I'm nervous because I think come July, we're going to see a really high peak of lumber prices. And hopefully this time next year, all my big projects that I want to work on, like building my deck and my addition and my front and back porches, finishing off the garage. I'm going to do a lot of landscaping this year. See all that rock? That's what the beast is going to be doing. He's going to be doing all kinds of digging and landscaping. That's right, that's right. Anyhow, what else can you do? I guess we're just going to be digging like dogs. We're going to be digging like dogs. Woo! Anyhow, thank you everybody who's been watching this stuff. The last week has been boring. Boring, I say. But I got a refrigerator coming and I can't wait. I'll try to make a video on my new refrigerator that's coming. It's a Whirlpool. I don't even care what kind it is. It's stainless steel. I really don't care, again, what kind it is, as long as it can keep me having something else besides canned food. And I'm not kidding you. Beast out of here.